Welcome to Sink or Float Nature Edition. Today we have a flower, a pine cone, pine needles, a rock, a small stick, and a big stick. We're going to talk about what sinks, meaning it goes to the bottom of the water, and what floats, meaning it stays on top of the water. To do that, we need to learn about density. Density is the weight of something compared to its size. So, when something is small, say we have a ball, but its density is really light, it means it has a little bit of molecules in, not a lot. So then it will float. When something like a ball is very dense, it means it has a lot of molecules in it, and that means it will sink. Now let's see. I have a flower. We're going to see if the flower sinks or floats. First we're going to predict. Predicting means we make a guess. Do I guess that it's going to sink or float? This flower is pretty small and it's pretty light. My guess is it will float because, like we talked about, if something is small and it's light, then it probably will float. Let's see. Let's test it out. 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's floating. I can see it in the water there. Oh, we were right. It floated. We'll show it on the water here to say this was our result. That means the outcome that happened. Okay, let's guess the next one. This is a pine cone. It seems a little bigger. Seems a little bit heavier than a flower, but it's still kind of light. But I'm going to say it's going to sink. So I made a prediction that it will sink. Let's find out. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, it floats. Oh, it was light enough that it can float on water. So this time our prediction was incorrect, but that's all right. We're making guesses. Okay, now we have pine needles. This is kind of small, just like the flower, and it feels light, just like the flower. The flower floated, so I'm going to guess it's going to float. Let's find out. Oops, I forgot to put that this one floated. We want to record our results. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. It floated, just like we were talking about. So, our prediction was correct. And we'll have to record our results. Float, float, float. Is everything gonna float in nature? Let's find out. Next we have a rock. So far, a lot of things have floated. And this is kind of small. It's really solid. I wonder. I'm gonna guess it's gonna float. Because it's the same size as this one, right? We'll have to see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait! It sank! Oh! It was really solid. So its molecules were more compact. So that means it sank. Our prediction was incorrect, but that's all right. And it sank. Now I'm going to take it and put it back out. Okay, now we have our small stick. I'm going to say this stick feels pretty light and it's small. So I'm going to say it's going to float. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Can you see it? It did float. So our prediction was correct. I'll put that it floated. Okay, now we have our last one. This stick is much bigger than the small one. It's made out of wood just like the small stick, but since it's bigger, I'm going to say it's going to sink. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. It floated! Oh, so the big stick and the little stick both float, and they're both made of wood. That must mean wood is less dense. We'll have to record our results and put it on top. Let's review. So the flower floated. The pine cone floated. The pine needles floated. The rock sank to the bottom. The little stick floated. And the big stick floated. Which one do we have more of? Do we have more objects that floated or more objects that sank to the bottom of the water? Let's find out. Sank, 1. Floated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have more objects that float. Wow, maybe you can find some more objects in nature that sink. Have fun.